Alright, look, I shuffle these cards. And now spectator name any cards and take any cards. Name any cards, it's really free. Maybe you name Jack of Spades, alright. And next step, you take any cards. Of course, you don't touch this Jack of Spades. Maybe you take this card, it's really free. Maybe your cards 4 of Hearts, right? Look, 4 of Hearts, and now you name Jack of Spades. Yes, look, I search your Jack of Spades. Look, Jack of Spades, 9 of Hearts, and now you change. And now this Jack of Spades here, and this 4 of Hearts. It's really crazy because no duplicate. It's really amazing effects. It's really crazy trick. It's really nice switch, teleports. It's really nice. It's really unbelievable effects. And now I teach you this trick. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card teleports. No setup, no gimmicks, no duplicate, no. It's really pure sleight of hand. It's really nice. It's really crazy card trick. It's really cool. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with a friend magician, why not? And now I teach you this really crazy, unbelievable card trick. Let's learn. Oh, it's really nice card technique. It's flip, shift. Let's go. It's really crazy because it's no duplicate, no gimmicks, no setup. Your spectator really shuffle this deck. And next step, you make a spread and show it these cards. And now spectator name any cards. It's really no force, it's really no mental force. Your spectator really free choice, name any cards. Your spectator name may be 10 of Hearts, right? And next step, you search this 10 of Hearts. My 10 of Hearts like this, alright? And next step, you make a break this 10 of Hearts like this and squeeze your spread, and of course you save it your break my 10 of Hearts, alright? And next step, you make it turnover pass and transfer this 10 of Hearts top of the deck, alright? So I repeat, look, I shuffle these cards. Please name any cards. 10 of Spades, search 10 of Spades, my 10 of Spades here, make a break my 10 of Spades like this, and next step you make a turnover pass. You make a break this 10 of Spades and make a turnover pass like this. Your left hand make move it like this, your right hand make move it like this, alright? I repeat, make a break and make a turnover pass. Of course, my 10 of Spades here, alright? I repeat slow mo, spectator, name any cards, Jack of Spades, search, make a break, alright? And now make it turnover pass like this. And transfer this Jack of Spades top of the deck, right? And next step, you make a spread like this. Don't like this, like this, alright? And spectator take any cards. Of course, you don't touch your Jack of Spades. Maybe you take these cards. And next step, you take these cards, your right hand take this finger like this and show it like this. This is 6 of diamonds. Unbelievable. Alright, you remember these cards. And next step, you make a switch. Your right hand make move it like this. Your left hand make move it like this. I repeat, make a spread, take any cards, maybe here. Remember, this is 6 of diamonds, and now you make a switch like this and make a spread. Of course, this is Jack of Spades. Pam pam. I repeat, make a spread, take any cards, this. Remember, 7 of clubs. And now you make a switch, alright? I repeat, 7 of clubs, and make a switch. And now you take these cards, drop it like this, and spectator touch these cards. And next step, you make a turn over these cards, make a spread, and search your Jack of Spades. Oh, Jack of Spades here! Of course, you take these cards like this. This is 7 of clubs. You take these cards, look, like this, and take Jack of spades. Of course, you take 7 of clubs. Look, I repeat, make a spread. Oh, Jack of spades. And next step, make a switch. Spectator takes these cards, you take these cards, snap my finger and show it. This is Jack of spades here, and this 7 of clubs. It's really crazy, unbelievable, it's really perfect card teleports. Yes, it's really crazy card trick. It's really unbelievable. So guys, please see you later.